How to reorder your last Uber Eats meal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can reorder your last Uber Eats meal. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Uber Eats. Make sure you're logged in into your account. And while you do that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So after you're on your Uber Eats, you will need to head over to this orders section. It's on the bottom taskbar, and there you will find your past items and past orders. So from here, you can check for the order or the meal that you want to reorder. And right besides that very order, you'll find a reorder button as well. And whenever you tap on that, you will be prompted to the checkout option, and you can review the items and proceed to checkout. And that's basically how you can reorder your last Uber Eats meal. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.